This box actually came on my birthday, but I'm just now getting around to opening it. So let's have a see what we've got here. That's a lot of wasted space in that box. All right. So they always send you Stitch Fix always sends you a mailer so you can mail back anything you don't want to keep. And you'll have something that gives you some ideas of how to wear some of the things. And then of course your bill, basically, which will let you know how much your stuff is going to cost if you decide to keep it. So, I've got a pair of brown pants. Interesting feeling material. To see how that feels on. And a blue sweater. Kind of a cool knit pattern there. And another sweater. This one is gray with polka dots. It's kind of cute. And this one is a shirt. It's kind of see-through. See, you can see through right to the other side of it. Have to see how see-through that is on. It's not something I would normally pick out, but hey, I might like that one. And we've got some earrings. Those are okay. I don't know that I'm like excited about them, but they're kind of cool. I like silver. So we will try these things on and see what we think. I will admit that this is kind of my style. Old t-shirt, pair of jeans. That's about it, especially during the winter. It's kind of my everyday uniform. But I'm going to try on these pieces from Stitch Fix and we're going to see what we think of them. All right, first piece. We have, these are just my normal jeans. We have this gray and black polka dotted sweater. It's pretty soft. The fit is good. It has a little bit of form to it. It's not like super baggy, which I like. The arms are a good length. I would wear this, and I think, if I remember correctly, this was like full price at $38, which is not too bad. We have another sweater, striped. This one has kind of some cool, I don't know what you would call that, but the stitch in here is kind of neat. And again, the fit is about right on this. This is a medium. It's kind of like a navy blue, so they go with a lot. I like this too. This one I think was full priced at $68, if I'm not mistaken. All right, last of all, we have everything with this one. There's this pair of pants, which interestingly, I thought this was the back at first because these look more like back pockets, but they're front pockets. And these are just elastic waist. They don't have a zipper. They're very stretchy. The length is good. If they don't shrink in the wash, then they're good. And this is slightly see-through, but you can't tell when I have it on. I was worried that you might, but I can't really see. It's suppose I'd have to be careful what kind of undergarments were under it to make sure it wasn't obvious, but I mean, really, I can't see through it. And I like this color because I like it with my hair. I like darker reds and stuff, it brings that out. And then there were these earrings, which are cute, if I remember to wear them. And that's it. So price-wise, I think these pants were like $50. This shirt was around $30 or $40, and the earrings were like $20, $25. So I think, considering, I'm probably gonna keep the whole box because you get a 25% discount if you keep everything. And so if there's like only one piece that you're kind of about, sometimes that's as much as the discount would be, so you might as well keep it, because if you throw it out, you could have basically gotten it for free. Of all these pieces, the pants are probably the ones I'm a little iffy about. I'm just a little worried that when I wash them, they might end up being too tight. Right now they fit perfect, but I always worry that things are gonna shrink in the wash. But they're comfortable, and as long as that doesn't happen, and they're really stretchy, so maybe it wouldn't be a problem. Yeah. So once again, I'm pretty happy with everything I got from the box. I don't have any scheduled until March, so hopefully they won't send me pants in March, because I'll be looking forward and wanting something more for the summer. There's my Stitch Fix box. I can't even say that word. Stitch Fix box for December. And still, I would say I recommend it. They've done a pretty good job of picking things out for me that are things I would wear. So there you have it.